Each Vento is delivered on a bracket for transport and attachment to an implement. Each unit has 25 meters of hose, spreader plates. Seed rollers are supplied relative to application rates required, and control panel. We supply also a 6-meter power cable for connection directly onto the tractor battery. The Vento is mounted on a transport assembly bracket, as can be seen beneath the unit. This special design of bracket makes attachment to implements a lot easier and quicker. To assemble the hose ready for work, the grommets must be attached. This is done by simply screwing them easily onto the hose. This gives a smooth transition of both components and leaves the hose unobstructed in any way, resulting in trouble-free seed dispensing. Once assembled, simply push grommets up into sockets on the Vento. The document roll mounted on the Vento contains the seed roller pull-out tool, weigh scales, calibration bag and operating manual as standard.